Welcome to our channel. Today's video is on the top 5 best portable pressure washer with water tank. We have spent hours researching and have carefully chosen these top 5 best portable pressure washer with water tank based on criteria such as quality, cost, and longevity. To find out more information and current pricing, please check the links provided in the video description. Don't forget to subscribe for more reviews like this. Without further ado, let's begin the video. Number 1. Sunjoe SPX 4000 Electric Pressure Washer. Sunjoe SPX 4000 Electric Pressure Washer, now available. With its 14.5 amp motor, this electric pressure washer can produce up to 2030 size/1.76 GPM for serious cleaning. Furthermore, the Pressure Choose technology function provides 2 effective cleaning modes: low 1450 psi for general purpose filth, grease, and grime, and high 2030 psi for the toughest cleaning challenges. In addition to its powerful motor, the Sunjoe SPX 4000 features 5 different quick connect spray tips: number 0, 15, 25, 40, and soap for a wide variety of cleaning tasks. You can adjust the amount of detergent used in the onboard 54.1 FL tank for optimal cleaning. You may forget about the filth and grime on the surface with the help of this wonderful green pressure washer. This pressure washer can generate a working pressure of 1450 psi under normal load, and it has a maximum internal pressure of 2030 psi. A 20-foot hose is included for portability. Get the job done right with the Sunjoe SPX 4000 Electric Pressure Washer by ordering it today. Number 2. Sunjoe SPX 3500 Max Pressure Washer. If you need to give a surface a serious scouring, go no farther than the Sunjoe SPX 3500 High Pressure Washer. Its electric pressure washer has a maximum pressure of 2300 psi and a maximum flow rate of 1.48 gallons per minute GPM, and it operates on corded electric power with a 13 amp/2000 watt brushless induction motor. With the included 40.6 FL detergent tank, you can control the amount of soap used using the dial. In addition, the pump is turned off automatically by the complete stop system whenever the trigger is released. This helps to both conserve energy and extend the pump's lifespan. Pressure washers, like this one, which weighs 46.5 pounds and has a naval brass hose connector, can do any task without breaking down. The 20-foot hose also allows you to access previously inaccessible areas. It is the time to acquire a Sunjoe SPX 3500 Extreme Pressure Washer and provide yourself with the deep cleaning you require. Number 3. Sunjoe SPX 3000 High Pressure Washer. One of the best high-pressure cleaners available is the Sunjoe SPX 3000. This dependable machine is ideal for cleaning homes, buildings, automobiles, trucks, boats, decks, roads, patios, and more because to its powerful 14.5 amp/1800 watt motor, which can generate up to 2030 psi and 1.76 GPM of water flow. The detachable storage tanks provide flexibility, allowing you to keep and employ various detergents for the same task at the same time. In addition, the complete stop system eliminates the risk of damaging the washing machine by overuse. When the trigger is released, power is cut off, conserving resources and extending the life of the pump. The 20-foot long hose is especially convenient because it allows you to clean hard-to-reach areas. Plus, it's green so you can spot it in a crowd. The Sunjoe SPX 3000 High Pressure Washer is the best option for thorough cleaning. Ensure the cleaner's hoses and connectors are properly fastened so that using it is a breeze. Number 4. Stanley SH1600 Max Pressure Washer. Because of its compact size and user-friendly design, the Stanley SH1600 Max Pressure Washer is a highly effective and portable cleaning solution. Designed to take on the most demanding cleaning tasks, this pressure washer has a maximum pressure of 1600 psi. The Stanley SH1600 Max Pressure Washer is capable of producing up to 1.3 GPM of force thanks to its 118 amp, 120 volt axial wobble plate pump. The trigger guns, safety lock, and ergonomic handle provide for a stress-free experience. A bayonet-style extension wand, a 14-ounce bottle of detergent, a high-pressure hose that extends to 20 feet, a power wire that reaches 35 feet and has a ground fault circuit interrupter plug, an adapter made of brass, and a warranty that lasts for 2 years are all included in the package. Cleaning your garage or garden has never been easier with this high-powered pressure washer gadget. Decks, paths, roads, vehicles, sidewalks, and other outdoor living surfaces may all be cleaned quickly, efficiently, and thoroughly with this tool. The Stanley SH1600 Max Pressure Washers, durable build and selection of attachments make it ideal for use around the house. Number 5. Yard Force Y F1600 Aeon 1600 SI Compact Electric Pressure Washer. This high-velocity and high-complexity Yard Force Y F1600 Aeon 1600 SI small electric pressure washer is a rare find. With its portable design, built-in storage spaces, wheels, and 32-ounce soap tank, you'll be ready to take on nearly any cleaning task. 2 quick connect nozzles, a soap nozzle, a turbo nozzle for cleaning hard surfaces, a trigger handle and wand, metal quick connect fittings, and no adapter are included in this comprehensive cleaning system. The unique construction of the 1600 PSI compact electric pressure washer makes even the most laborious cleaning task a breeze. Thanks for watching. We're glad you enjoyed the video. Please hit the like button and share it with your friends. It would be a great help for us. Also, please don't forget to subscribe our channel for latest updates. We value your feedback. Please feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions or suggestions. See you in our next video.